with sincerity and honesty, I was looking at the name, and without prejudice to you or any other Kenyan, are you related to the former Prime Minister, Right Honorable Oginga Odinga, and what is the relationship?
There are people who know me here. I'm sure even the chair know who I am. There are people who know. My name, my given name is Oginga. My father's name is Ogego. My Christian names are Catholics. You give it two names. One is baptism, is Peter, and Nicholas is my confirmation. Or this has been part of the nepotism thing. I am not related to anybody of influence, and I take it with a light touch. As you know, for the last 5-6 years, I've been on the other side of things at the National Defense College, and so we've been partnering with this committee as well. So I have a fair grasp of things that are foreign policy, but also defense nature, and I feel privileged to be in this position and to have been nominated for this task. And I want to say here that given the chance, I will do what I've always done best, which is to protect, promote the interests of Kenya and Kenyans. And just to repeat, there will be no personal interest. You can take me on this one. Between me and at my age, between me and my duty, there will be none. Thank you, and God bless.
The Big Four is the main agenda of the government of Kenya and the president and that. And Turkey has a lot to offer in terms of universal health care. It has a very robust and very advanced technology in terms of offering health care and the systems. We can be able to tap into that and cascade it into our country. So this will be one of the engagements that I will be making. Also, in terms of economic empowerment of our country, as we see, the balance of trade is not very favorable to us. Will be my duty to ensure that at least we catch up with the balance of trade. 2 billion to 13 billion is not favorable.